Hi, the objective of this video is to learn all about functions. Functions is a very important concept, not just in algebra and analysis, in fact in all branches of mathematics. Let us see what is a function. A mapping or an association f between a and b is going to be called a function if and only if each element belonging to a has a unique element y belonging to b. The key words being every element of a must have an answer and that answer must be unique, in the sense that one element cannot have more than one answer. However, the answer can be the answer of more than one element. Let's visualize it using a diagram. So if this is A and this is B, then a mapping between them is going to be called a function if and only if every element here has an answer. So you pick up an arbitrary element, it's going to have an answer. So there should not be any element that's left. Every element must have an answer and every element must have only one answer, meaning to say this element, for example, cannot be mapped to two different elements. But if this element, say, is being mapped to this element, then there could be another element also which is being mapped here. In fact, more than two elements and so on and so forth. So a function is something where every element here must have an answer, but only one answer, unique in that sense, so that it does not have two answers, but the answer can have many pre-answers associated to it. So this is the definition of a function. So when someone says show that a function is well defined, we actually mean that you have to show that it is a function, meaning to say we have to target the unique aspect here. So what we do is we take x equal to y in A, meaning to say we have just taken one element and we are giving it two names, x and y are nothing but the same element. Then to target the unique aspect of it, the answer fx must be actually same as fy. So mathematically, to show a function is well defined, we have to always begin by taking two elements, say x and y equal to each other, where x and y are coming from A. And we need to show it as a function, meaning we have to show that the function is well defined by showing that fx is equal to fy. So this is how you show a function is well defined. Here A is called the domain. This is a set from which the mapping was beginning, and the set B is called the codomain. So every element has an answer and every element has a unique answer. We have shown by showing that the function is well defined. We say a function f from A to B is 1, 1 when every element of A has an answer corresponding in B which is unique in all aspects, meaning to say that if this is an element, say x, then its answer fx is the only answer corresponding to an element here. No other element can have an answer fx. So mathematically we begin by saying let fx be equal to fy, meaning in B we have taken fx and given it another name, say fy. Then it cannot have two different pre-images here. The pre-images of fx and fy have to coincide with it. So to show a function is 1, 1, you always begin by saying let fx be equal to fy and then use all the information provided about the function to show that x is equal to y. As you can easily see, 1, 1 is like opposite of well defined. However, there is a very important difference. Every function needs to be a function, meaning every function needs to be well defined, but not all functions need to be 1, 1. Only if this extra property is satisfied will we say that a function is 1, 1. It is also known as injective. When do we say a function is onto? So we know that something is a function when every element has an answer, but it's not necessary that every element here has a pre-answer. If that is true, then we say a function is onto. So basically we are saying that every element here already had an answer like fx here, but this was, say, the collection of answers. But if every element here also has a pre-answer now, so the word each is attached to the reverse also, then we say that the function is onto. So mathematically, to show that the function is onto, we need to take an arbitrary element in B, like say C belonging to B, and we need to show that there exists an element, say x, belonging to A, such that when f is applied to x, the answer comes out to be C. So every arbitrary element has a pre-answer, then and only then do we say that the function is onto. A function is said to be onto is also written as the function is surjective.